In this tutorial, we are going to create a spider-like creature that automatically walks in difficult terrain when moved. So, let's take a look at the finished result so you know what you will be making. There is only one bone visible to the user. Moving it up or down decides how high up the body is, and moving it back or forth triggers a walking animation. Over at our custom properties, we have a few options to change how it walks. Let's look at them in reverse order, starting with the step length. This is simply how large steps it takes. Give it a low value, and it walks many short steps to go the same distance. Give it a high value, and it will take few but large steps. The second property is step height. This is the height of the steps. This is only a preference of style since the legs will never penetrate the ground either way, even if it barely lifts the legs at all. A low value makes the legs follow the ground carefully, and a high value makes it look like it is walking in really difficult terrain. Finally, we have body following ground. This is how much the body is affected by the terrain. With a value of 0, the body looks like a stick, completely unaffected by the ground below. And with a value of 1, it really follows and bends to every bump in the ground. So, that's it. Let's get started.